if you think Starbucks is just coffee. China is about to change your mind. Most people have no idea that Starbucks in China serves meals you've probably never seen before. Some of them are surprisingly delicious. So today, I'm spending the next 24 hours eating nothing but Starbucks in China. Let's see if it's really worth the hype.
Hi, I'm Zaza. Long time no see.
Starbucks is one of the earliest international coffee brands to enter China, and it has witnessed the country's rapid economic growth. Back then, at about $5 a cup, it was seen as a luxury item in the eyes of Chinese consumers. At the time, grabbing a cup of Starbucks was seen as a really fashionable thing to do. Over time, with coffee culture spreading across China and homegrown brands emerging, Starbucks slowly stepped down from its throne. They say Starbucks in China has a different menu than elsewhere. So today, follow my camera and let's check out what's special.
Oh.
It's made with whole grain bread on the outside, filled with egg, bacon, and cheese. In China, Starbucks locations tend to be large. They're designed as a social hub. Many customers use them to get work done, hang out with friends, or have meetings. The egg is mixed with cheese and porcini mushrooms, then steamed, super soft and tender. The salty richness of the egg yolk and the subtle sweetness of the mochi come together, layers of flavor in every bite. It's that sweet and salty combo young people love. When it comes to Starbucks merch, it's mostly cups. Every year, they launch desserts that match China's traditional festivals. This is a wish wall. You can write down your hopes and dreams. This is the best-selling drink in summer. I'll grab this for lunch. This is the food I heard made it onto Western news. Gonna try it today. These are free coffee grounds. You can put them in the fridge to get rid of odors.
谢谢。
This is one of young people's favorite summer drinks. It's like a smoothie blended with different fruits, super rich in flavor.
Wow.
This is the Italian lasagna that made headlines a while back. Many were shocked to see Starbucks serving it here in China. Rich meat sauce layered between multiple sheets of pasta. The texture is amazing. It comes with some refreshing sides, like lotus root and cherry tomatoes. Surprisingly, there are also crisp and sweet water chestnuts included.
OK，谢谢。
Let's try the cookies from Starbucks.
Dun 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 dun.
The first bite is all almond fragrance, and the more you chew, the richer it gets.
It's like eating the coffee beans.
It has a very intense, aromatic coffee taste. Rain came out of nowhere, again. I borrowed an umbrella from the staff. They were really nice.
我下午过来还。
Fewer people order coffee in the evening. They worry it'll affect their sleep. That's why there's just one employee on shift.
Dun 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 dun. Heard this is the best thing Starbucks has ever dropped. Can't wait to dig in. Oh my god, it's amazing.
The beef is sliced really thin, tender, but still packed with flavor. Paired with mushrooms and asparagus, lots of different textures in every bite.
You should have a try. Believe me. Oh. Wow.
Rich chocolate with a refreshing hint of mint. Unusual, but really good.
Bye bye. See you in the next video.